G'day, here's a few pieces of Lightning Ridge Nobby Opal material from Australia, rules and millimetres. Material's been wetted to help highlight the colours. First piece, it's 2 layers there. On the top there's a crystal layer, purple. It's a good example of how the nobbies are found in the clay parent material, with the overburden. If we keep tumbling it, it'll just wear the opal away. There's evidence of that here on the corner. Quite a nice bit of flash in this one. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed looking at those. Cheers.